Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, December 23rd. The reflection for today is heart wholeness. Your heart is your altar. Keep it full and well lit. May you know the feeling of heart wholeness. Truly, your mind is only here to balance the checkbook and set the alarm clock. Your heart can and must rule the rest of your whole, wondrous, and full life. Why? Love is all that matters. Love will rise above all else. It will toast better bread. It will raise healthy, happy children. It will make way for passionate marriages. It will find you the vocation of your dreams. It will bring you home. It will bring you to yourself. Only engage in activities that you can bring love to. You must be genuine to what you do. By being true to your heart, you're honoring the responsibility in others also. How do you bring this love to fruition? Love yourself first. Let go of past expectations and write new rules for yourself. Take 15 minutes each day to think about how you love, are loved, and how it feels. You must feel the energy of love before you can make it a part of your nature and daily doings. Grab a piece of paper and write down 5 things that you love about you. Experience that feeling of love in your gut. Come on, remember the time you first fell in love? That's what I'm talking about. Take this time to fall in love with yourself. You are unable to love others fully if you don't love yourself first. The gods want you to be comfortable with yourself. Honor this. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to arrive into stillness. Maybe you want to close your eyes or keep them open, and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now repeat after me, silently or out loud. I am thankful that I have time to learn about myself. I am learning to love and nurture myself. I am living with a whole heart that leads me through my days. Let's do that again. I am thankful that I have time to learn about myself. I am learning to love and nurture myself. I am living with a whole heart that leads me through my days. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. Let your mantra for today be, I am thankful that I have time to learn about myself. I am learning to learn about myself. I am learning to love and nurture myself. I am living with a whole heart that leads me through my day. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's practice, breathing practice. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you on Thursday.